them up, rough them up. Boom. This Bob man, we will shut them up. Boom. Fuck them up. Boom. Rough them up. Them me and sick me no ramp up. If you want this president get trampled, fuck with it and get ramful. 60 clip bust them big right bango. Alright.
Reaction. Bombaku bell.
What's up YouTube, it's your boy Tyreke, aka The Reaction Boss, and I'm back in effect with another video for you guys. Now right now, viewers and subscribers, you read the title, you see the video, you know what's popping right now. We have Swanny, a song called Ungrateful, people. You see me, I say music video and everything, you know, so something like what the music video drop with the artist, same time said speed. Leave a like, leave a comment, leave a subscribe, you know, so we bring the set with it anyway. We'll go right now, we're here in North Carolina, we're gonna be in New York in a couple of hours, like 10 hours from now. You don't know, chap? But me say, you know what, we have drop reactions, we have drop vlog, we're dropping everything on this channel. So subscribe right now if you're not subscribed yet. Let's get straight to the video right. No. Swanny, Ungrateful. Run it. Yeah. Alright then. Bad man thing now. Archie. Is it me? I say big myself in an Archie. So let's pause it with the video and just run through. No. Run through. Yeah. Alright then, big bang.
No, some boy will sell themselves. Switch up for anything that we not do just them. Them will come in at your team and act like if them really lie. And you know what, them come and spit up in me as them know me anger. Yeah, me have some issues with some boy, me think them was my partner. Shoulda left them with them one shop while them team up by the parlor. Mount a fucking thing me do for them like me name father. Everything me had me offer. Give them me house with my master key.
I come out and I vent to the people. Man say, oh, you must help them people here, brother. You see me? Two-side cutlass. Fake people, you see me? I say that about the fake friend. And I make us say that I got to say people. Run it.
Pussy swear me live it like masterpiece. Still me love my godson, yeah, me hope him grow up properly. This just a phase. Me need to lose some things if me watch change. Not everyone the genuine the same. Them boy love talk and them not even rise the crane. Them only talk up on the phone. That's how me know them badness lame. No boy they couldn't shot me after walking pan me.
Hey, you see how much gun roll for that video here, people. And I know one gun and two gun in the people. You see that? 100-man squad this year pre-writer son.
Stretch him out like water when my plaster then my paint. Rifle boys I make the boy them face just rearrange. Jumping on the range and then me practice on the range. Now they like me after this man, but me no really care. Me no see down on this man. Everybody know we respond speak. Now go like me after this one.
Respond to what?
But me no really care. We no see down on this man. The whole of them boy ungrateful. When me roll out my arm up, could I swear it was amalgamate. Can't trust no one in the street can tell who are the real from fake. The boy me help them try to bite me like a python snake. Them really try to heal me just to keep a smile and wave. Boom. If them really want for this, my guns them go boom. Mark them ends, fuck them up, rough them up. Boom. This Bob man, we will shut them up. Boom. Fuck them up. Boom. Rough them up. Them me and sick me no ramp up. If you want this president get
well, I remember that part, that part, the slap, that part, the kick out teeth.
Them ends, fuck them up, rough them up. Boom. This Bob man, we will shut them up. Boom. Fuck them up. Boom. Rough them up. Them me and sick me no ramp up. If you want this president get trampled, fuck with it and get ramful. 60 clip bust them big right bango.
Alright, that party, I'm rate that party at the song people. When the song just started, I'm not like it started at the low. It started off too calm. But right so the man step out the pace people and start chop up the road right so and that we are talk about. You see me? I forgot run it back again because right I say man pump rough them up. Boom. This Bob man we will shut them up. Boom. Fuck them up. Boom. Rough them up. Them me and sick me no ramp up. If you want this president get trampled,
fuck with it and get ramful. 60 clip bust them big right mango. Hey dog, me not care where you run to. Boy run like Reed from Toronto. Lucky thing him a dog, me no want to. Next man long time is I gonna use.
Boom!
If them really want for this, my guns them go.
Boom!
Mash them ends, fuck them up, rough them up.
Boom!
This Bob man, we will shut them up.
Boom!
Fuck them up.
Boom!
They not gonna like me after this man. But me no really care. Me no see down on this man. Everybody know we respond, speak. Not gonna like me after this man. But me no really care. We no see down on this man. The whole of them boy ungrateful. Some boy themselves switch up anything that we not do trust them.
And that's all. Boom!
Some boy themselves they must switch up anything that we not do trust them.
Darling. Yeah, I like a little video, man. I see my video go on good. I don't know actually as usual now. But beats or something, man. You see me, I say, I don't like edit video and swan that knock out in a couch. I draw a bongi. And video done it and even realize. But big up on yourself as usual. Leave a like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Reaction Boss sign out of your piece. You see me, so we gone.